I want to go to Yankee. I want to go to Yankee. I hope you are a do-it-yourself girly. Because if you're not a do-it-yourself girly, you go spend money tire for the Yankee. Do you know how much it costs to get just all back? Maybe you know it as cornrows. All back. You spend £30 to get all back done. In Africa, if you to do all back, 800 naira, 1000 naira. Here, to get just all back done, I pay £30 for it. In Africa, you might even see someone who, if they are less busy, they can do your cornrows for free. In my house, my gate man's got a wife. So the wife does school kids hair maybe during weekends. She normally, like, that's a side hustle for her. She does school kids hair. So she does mine as well. How much do I give her? 1000 naira. She charged me 800, but I just, okay, you take 1000 naira to get all back done. You will not see that one here. Oh. You will not see that one here. It's either you do it yourself or you spend the money. Imagine spending that money. Like, I don't carry my hair for too long because of the texture of hair I have, and I suffer a lot from dandruff. So I like to carry my hair 3 weeks, 1 month maximum, and then lose and wash. So imagine spending, that's just for all back cornrows. £30 for just cornrows. Imagine if you want to braid your hair. The last time I braided my hair, it was medium size, 28 inches, medium size. How much I pay? I paid £210. Imagine, convert that to naira. You see, so you have to. One thing with abroad is it will rebuild you, it will remold you, it will retrain you. The moment you get here, you will activate your do-it-yourself ability. You will, whether you like it or not, except you want to be spending money. You will automatically, you see yourself activating your do-it-yourself ability. In Africa, whenever I go to braid my hair in Africa, my stylist, she knows me. Once I'm coming, she knows me. I don't pick attachments. Hair extension. I don't pick attachments. She has, when I knew my stylist, she had 15 girls. From 15 girls, she reduced to 10 girls. Before you know, 5 girls. You know all these kind of girls where they find man worker. They don't want to learn work. So whenever I'm coming, she knows me. She'll just tell the girls, she is coming. So they start picking the attachment. When they are done picking the attachment, they'll just spread themselves and start cutting attachment. Because I don't cut attachment. Mine is just to sit down there, give them my head, balance my legs. Anything way pass, I go suffer by the chop. I know they cut attachment. I know they pick attachment. So they just get my hair done. Now, so you know me now, I'm very funny. As everybody go, they laugh. But never a dull moment with me. There is never a dull moment with me. Lie. The moment I go into somewhere, everyone will know I'm around. So while my mouth they move, they chop something themselves, they chop. Oh, all right, to encourage, because now we are person for the walk, for the chop. Person no go stand, they do your head, leg they shake. Why your mouth busy? You they chop something, okay? So as I they chop themselves, they chop. Now so when they do the hair to finish the hair, money where they pay to do my hair for Africa, not be the same money when they pay for Yankee. So you automatically have to activate your do-it-yourself ability. They're not going to tell you. They're not going to use mouth to tell you. So my people, this beautiful morning, my new catch invited me on a dinner date. But as soon as I say country hard, country too hard, oh, I can't say, how I want to ask this man, say, give me money to go and make my hair. That is very ratchet. If you do that kind of thing, stop amo. Not go they ask man money to make your hair on the first date to get a CB now. I can't say, okay, what will I do now? What will I do? Based on say I'm a do-it-yourself girl, that's okay. Let's figure something out. I can't retouch my hair, or as I retouch my hair, I begin to stretch my hair so that it go give am fit for the thing that I won't carry am take do, yeah. See am now, I don't finish to blow dry the hair. Now not to dey stretch the hair. See my baby girl for the test. She's always stalking me. She's always stalking me. So I can't stretch my hair already in my mind. I don't figure out the outfit to wear based on say I'm going on a dinner date. And you all know, say everything na packaging. Na package. See, there's a way you will package yourself, eh? Person go fit say person go feel say you get millions for somewhere. It's all about package. I always tell people, package yourself. See, you can go to an occasion, eh? The way you take package yourself, they go rate you high. But somebody will just waka come and say that person is in money. That person is in money, real money. But the person no package come. You will package where 1 naira no gum you. They will rate you high. Past that person will be say a bank account they breathe. Sure, you understand? It's all about packaging. Package your problem. Package your situation. No carry your problem for head like say, now you get the worst problem for this life. Package that problem. Don't let anyone know what's going on with you. Because, see, they will always say, oh, hey, yeah, oh, sorry. No solution. And if you find them small trouble, they go use that problem where you don't carry put for your head, they mock you. All right, they go carry that problem, take mock you. So why not just suffer, hide yourself, package your problems? So I can't say, okay, my nails get as a bill. Make I try do something to my nails. So you see all my nail tools. I already come, oh hey, I already come because you know we say on special occasions, yeah, I dey go for professional touch. But when it be a day-to-day thing, and right now your girl is a brokey, and I can't get dinner date, what do you say make I do? Man, go to ask the man for money for my new catch. I say, no, let me just do it myself. See me, I don't dey file my nails. I don't dey use my nail cuticle. I already come. You see, I get everything. Nothing where you say, you go say you dey find go woman house when I no get. Unto do it yourself package. When I go package this package come out, you don't go believe her. You go feel say na professional touch. So normally I dey go on professional touch when na special occasion. Not be say day-to-day life, I go dey spend my money for say I dey do wetin. When I can activate my do-it-yourself ability. Now what for you? See me, I don't dey fix all the nails. I don't fix and finish. Now to start to file them. You see my buffer for there. That buffer, it gets 1, 2, 3, 4 section. You see I'm right there. So the number 4, then the boof. So you use them take boof them to make them they smooth, make it no hurt my face or any part of my skin. So after that one, I can begin the do I can use my clean. I would say they call them again. Is it dissolver? Been Siam. You they watch them, just they watch them. So see this you see this nail polish lifesaver. I've got different colors. This one now my top coat. Different colors from red to pink to different colors. This thing now lifesaver. I think it's is it 49 or 59 thereabout now I reach. So this one is the base builder base. This is what I'm gonna go with first. Then I'll come use my LED light, take dry arm. You go to watch the process, you see how they go. Packaging. When I go for that dinner date, the man he believe the charisma when I can take balance this might do it yourself. Now top notch. The charisma at least it saved me that embarrassment of say, can you give me money to go and get my hair done? Well, that's ratchet. Very ratchet. So I don't need to do the second hand now because I don't do the first one. As if you say now do it yourself, you go first do one, dry them before you enter the second one. That's how we they run them for here. So now I don't they dry the second one. After that one now, I'll come put the nail polish when I want. If it's nail varnish, you know I'm ass. Right, so that's the nail polish, that's the color I want something different. I don't want red, I don't want nude, I want something different. So I don't need do them. As I do and finish, I constantly put them back to my LED light so that I say I already come, I get everything. Nothing when you define when I no get, I get everything. You see, if you want go nail salon, go do this this nails when I do for you now. If you know how 80 to 100 pounds, you go sit down for your house. So what's the essence? I beg, if you're following me on TikTok, you see this nail kit, I don't know what I'm saying. This nail kit, I have it on my showcase. Better go and place your order because it's a lifesaver. When you get them, you don't need to do too much. Just pick them out, choose any colorway you want and go. So I don't finish my nails. I'm using my cuticle oil to beautify and finish the work. You see, I'm almost I don't enter my hair again. Now I need to style my hair because I said I know if you could ask man for money, say make you give me money to go do hair. That's an embarrassment. It means say you're not a big girl. As a big girl, you don't need to go to ask man for money. Even if you know say you don't be big girl, you never chop since 2 days. No, let the man know. Now packaging. What did I say? Now packaging. Even if you never chop for 2 days, even for 1 week, no let the man know. Package that belly. So now I'm using my Echo styling gel to use them take sleep the hair before I go style them. When I go package this package finish come out, you go feel say hey, everywhere is still. You don't know say that packaging. You don't know say that packaging. It's not fake life. It's packaging. Not be fake life. Fake life now when you go to carry with your hand never reach. Can't talk say your hand don't reach out. That is fake life. But this one you're packaging yourself. Do you understand me? As an English student when I be, right? Now packaging, it is not fake life. Fake life now when you go they put hand for waiting your power never reach. When you go they say you be Dangote where you never be Dangote. That is fake life. But this one is packaging. Even Dangote self go like make you package. Think say Dangote go one riffraff around them. Even if you ain't got money, package come out. They will rate you high. People like when you package. You know they like yourself when you package. It's all about packaging, my dear. You don't need to get millions in your account before you look put together. One thing again, even if it's is it Okirika thrift? If not that one you feel afford, use and package. Sometimes you see somebody wearing turkey, you will wear that your krika. You go gallant past that person will wear turkey. You never see them. It's all about packaging and charisma. How you carry yourself. You don't go to somewhere and you are loud. You're all over the place like a miscreant. No. When you get to somewhere, have this loud charisma. Be feminine. Everything you do, just be feminine. You go see, say, the whole room, you go be like, say, it will revolve around you. Let me tutor you. So, as they do I don't finish the hair. I don't use my styling mousse. I don't use my spirit to make them hold. Then I can't use my hair dryer. I say I get everything. What you define when I don't get for this my house? I get everything though because I dey package. So I don't enter makeup section no. Time there even they go say, but I'm trying to. I need to do something for you people now. I need to do something for you people. I need to give you something to watch, right? So I don't enter makeup. I don't use my moisturizer. I'm using Mario Badescu moisturizer because of my my face. I've got oily skin, so I like use that Mario for as my moisturizer before I start my makeup. So I use my foundation now. No worry for this foundation. When you first apply this foundation, go be like say you don't use I don't even know how to classify it, but don't worry, you go see the magic of this foundation, the way it will it go just dim. You see that first application, it'll be like say water don't pass Gary, just calm down, you go see the way it go take dim. All right, so now we don't enter concealing section. No, we don't conceal. I don't contour. See, you need to step up your makeup game, right? As you watch this video, I hope you take notes. In fact, save the video. If you get that dinner date like myself, so and 1 naira no gum you no get even 50 pounds for your account. This my video go be lifesaver to you. You so free. Begin they play this my video. Use them till they follow step by step. When you go package come and finish, you see that person where you want go meet. You no go believe I'm saying 50 pounds no gum you. All right. So save this video. Now I don't do my concealer. You see my beauty blender. I got lots of beauty blender. You can't go put water. Once you put water, you let them make it for days soft for easy use. You see, I don't enter for my nose contour. I say now packaging. If you don't package all these things, you go turn to riffraff. Packaging, you have to package yourself. Not be you carry the worst problem. Everyone is going through a lot. Now, when you show your own, you go be scapegoats. I'm not saying when you're going through a lot, don't speak up, don't talk to people. But my darling, people don't care. No one cares. They might show that pity thing. Just make one small mistake, get problem with them. They go use that your problem, take talk to you. You will not believe it. They will use that your problem, so when you share with them, take talk to you. So in whatever you do, package. You see, I'm a blush lover. You see the way you put my blush to a minimum standard. I know they put on full face like clay. I know they pack on full face like Sister Caro. I they put on I'm a minimalist lady. I like everything today moderate but classy. Now I don't enter my brows though. I like my brows moderate and classy. I know you like all those bold and weird brows. So now that is done, we don't enter the main thing. I say now package that spots. You see that acne, package the acne. See, don't allow things like this to limit you. I have acne. I can't. Stop giving excuses, my darling. You can package yourself without your acne. Even your acne you go humble your acne. You go humble your acne. Now we're done with the makeup. I use my setting spray. And then now I have to put my highlighter. And now I will warn you for what you are about to see. It shock you. I tell you, say now packaging. Oh my God, look at that. She's so sexy. She's so classy. She's so elegant. So tell me now, if I come out like this, who go know say I no get £50 on my account? I balance them up with my Lancome La Vie Estelle Elixir. Oh, so elegant. This perfume, oh my goodness. When you wear this perfume, it feels like as if you're a millionaire or you're a billionaire. This perfume is everything. Who will know that I don't have even £50 in my account? It's all about packaging. It's all about that charisma. It's all about how you carry yourself. Just take a good look at that chick. Take a good look at that chick. If I go on this dinner date now, this man, he won't want to leave me. He won't want to, oh my, he will be drooling. He will be drooling because, girl, you look so put together. So in whatever you do, my darling, not be you carry the worst problem for your head. Always try your best to look put together, to always turn up looking fabulous. Make sure you share this video so it can reach out to more people. If you haven't followed me yet, make sure you click the follow button, leave a comment and rate my outfit and my makeup. I will see you on my next video. I love you.